Think you can solve for x before the timer runs out? Let's put your skills to the test with this algebra challenge. You'll have some time to work through this math problem, and then we'll solve it together step by step. Ready? Let's go. Choice D is the correct answer. Let's look at the two equations that we were given. Since k is equal to 3, you can substitute 3 for k in the first equation. This gives us x minus 1 divided by 3 equals 3. Now let's multiply both sides of this equation by 3. This gives us x minus 1 equals 9. To isolate x, we're going to add 1 to both sides of the equation. We now have a value for x. X is equal to 10. Choices A, B, and C are incorrect because the result of subtracting 1 from these values and dividing by 3 is not the given value of k. Let's check our answer by plugging in 10 for x. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Perfect, it works. Great job! Now here's your next challenge. Try solving this equation for x after this video and drop your answer into the comments below. I'll pin the correct solution tomorrow.